Okay, now I'm changing my the existing radio to a Double Din with CarPlay and Android Auto. So basically, the first thing in order to take out this cover or this dash trim is to remove the trim over here. Just pull it out. This one too, pull it out, and then this one you could just grab it too. So the grill is like really tough to take out. There's like 3 slots over here, 3 slots over here. Then we're gonna take out this airbag light indicator. Okay, get the trim out. So remove the car stereo. Oh, now we can pull out the stereo. So there's like an antenna and 2 connectors there. Got it out. Those 2 connectors, 1 antenna. Okay. So I got it all connected. Yep, including the microphone. And then for the power, since I'm not using a LAN interface, I just tap the 12-volt power line there to the sunroof. It's fuse number 20. So you could just like tap the leg of one of the fuse there and it should work. Now I'm going to screw this one so that I could place the cables properly. So the CarPlay cable is there, and then the microphone cable is over there. So I got the trim installed, and let's test it. No more clanking noise, and there's the Dual logo. So it defaults to CarPlay. Don't have anything connected now.
Just $5 on any NFL team
Yep,
to win
NFL.
and get $200 in free bets if they
Equalizer.
do. Plus, everyone can boost their winnings with DraftKings.
Combined preventive maintenance on your heating and cooling system and keeping your water flowing
100%.
Nice.
Payouts bigger than ever. Why bet on football anywhere
Working.
else? Download DraftKings Sportsbook app and use the code
It's not shabby at all.
to get $200 in free bets. If your team wins, just place $5 on any football game. Remember, use the code TheFox101 only at DraftKings Sportsbook.
Now I have to fix the light over here. It's not working. Okay, testing it out. Let me see if
So switch to DirecTV and learn how to get the 2022 NFL Sunday Ticket season.
look, so CarPlay is working. Okay, so there you go. CarPlay is working. We got all the stuff in here. So yep, pretty nice. So just connect a USB cable to your phone, and yeah, I just have it here. Maybe probably put some zip ties and this cigarette lighter over here. I'll probably put some just some sticker on this one to hold the cable. But yep. And we can go back to the radio. Local broadcast. Oh, cool. This is the internet radio. Okay, I got the stereo, the trim replaced now. And let's try it on. Starting. So I just connected my iPhone. So this is really cool because CarPlay is enabled, so I got music, my maps, and my text messages over here. And then I got also like internet radio. So you don't even need like a radio on this one once you connect it to your iPhone actually. So CarPlay is actually pretty cool. Yeah, and it has like the maps. I cannot show you the maps because of some privacy issues. You could see my location. So, yep, I only have. Now, the other thing that I need to fix is basically this switch. This switch is now busted. Well, now it's working. It's kind of crazy. Last time it wasn't. So this acts on its own. So I'm trying to replace this switch with this switch that I think is working. This one is like faded. This one is probably okay. And the first thing is how to remove this airbag. It's really hard because you're working blind. So what I'm doing is I'm actually doing this, and I'm not hitting the wire, this wire. I'm not hitting it. So no matter how I try. So basically the trick is to basically like, so the distance, this is how far it is. So it's like probably 3/4 of an inch or more than half an inch, I think. Yep, so it's not that very far compared to relative to the, so let me see how far it is. Yeah, so it's this far actually. Yep. So, and then you insert it to the hole here, and you shouldn't actually like put it straight. You just like, okay, insert it, and then you have to push it inwards like this, really inwards, and then, yep, see how in is that screwdriver. I'll show you on top. Yep. So it's around like maybe at a 45-degree angle, and then you'll hit this one. Once you hit that, yep, it will, the airbag will release. Yeah, at least one of the side there. It took me a while to do this. Now I'm going to remove this trim. You don't need to disconnect the airbag or even replace or remove or disconnect the battery. Okay, so I got the new switch in. Yep. Turn it on. Radio is back. No clacking sound. Let me see if the airbag light, the cruise control lights on. Info. Yep. So info works every time I press it. Yep, it changes.